Unveiling new identities, understanding under a new guise. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in English conversations and texts, under a new guise. This video aims to unpack its meaning, usage, and help you incorporate it into your language arsenal. Let's explore how this phrase can add depth and nuance to your expressions. The phrase, under a new guise, refers to appearing or presenting oneself in a new form or manner that is different from the past. The word, guise, means an external form, appearance, or manner of presentation, typically concealing the true nature of something. So, when something is under a new guise, it has taken on a new appearance or identity that may not immediately reveal what it truly is or was before. Under, in this context, means being in a condition or situation. New indicates something that has recently changed or been altered. Guise is a key term here, signifying a way something appears or is presented, often different from its inherent nature. Understanding each word helps us grasp the full meaning of the phrase, adopting a new appearance or form that might disguise the original identity or character. To illustrate, let's look at some examples. 1. A company may rebrand itself under a new guise to attract a different market segment. 2. An author might publish under a new guise, or pseudonym, to explore different genres. 3. A historical building could be renovated and repurposed under a new guise, combining modern functionality with historical aesthetics. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various contexts, emphasizing transformation or change in appearance, identity, or function. When you want to express that something or someone has changed its appearance or identity, under a new guise is your go-to phrase. It's particularly useful in discussions about change, transformation, or reinvention. This phrase adds a layer of sophistication to your speech or writing, showing your deep understanding of English nuances. We hope this video has shed light on the intriguing phrase, under a new guise, and inspired you to incorporate it into your English conversations and writings. It's a powerful expression that can help convey the concept of change and transformation with elegance and precision. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.